Welcome to today's French class. I hope you all are very excited to, attend the French class. So, wish you a very good morning. Thank you all for joining. So, from today we are starting a French class, and we have with us Mrs. Mahima. So, I welcome you today to our French class, an initiative by I'm the Best Mom. I'm sure you all have been eagerly waiting for this day. We as a community believe language requires no age. No age, right from childhood to senior citizen, everyone can learn any language they want. So, a child exposed to language learning may develop good cognition, metacognition, and executive function. And people who can speak more than one language have a very improved memory, better learning skills, and many other. So let us welcome Mrs. Mahima Khandilwal, who will be teaching you French from now onwards, and we have French class on every Monday and every Thursday. So let us begin with our first class, introducing Mrs. Mahima Khandilwal to you all. She is an educator, corporate trainer, and linguistic. Mrs. Mahima comes with over 10 years of experience and expertise in the field of education, apart from her teaching to profession. She has a wide array of experience in teaching French and English to children and adults alike. She has worked with French embassy both in India and in US with accredited DELF certification. She also uses her knowledge in French as a translator and corporate trainer. So let us welcome Mrs. Mahima, who will be teaching you French. Let us welcome her.
Thank you, Vaishali, for your kind words.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello, everyone. If you can hear me, wave your hand. I know your mic is muted. Just wave your hand if you can see me. If you can hear me, hello. All right. Great. Are you all excited for today's class? Yes? All right. I'm so proud of you all. So, today, from today onwards, we are going to start learning French, a language that is spoken by more than 220 million people all over the world. Do you know this number? 220 million? Big number. A lot of people all over the world speak French. Okay. Now, before I begin, I'm going to show you a small video. Okay. Now, before we start watching this video, I'm going to ask all of you kids to have your eyes here on the screen with me and your listening ears on. Okay. Remember, this class today is only for half an hour, only for 30 minutes. All right. So we can do our playtime later. We can do any other work later. For the next 30 minutes, I'm going to ask you to have your eyes here on the screen, your ears here on the screen with me. All right, give me a thumbs up if you can understand what I'm saying. Awesome, good job, good job, good job. Okay, so now you're going to see a nice video in French. And if you have your paper and pen ready with you, I'm going to give you a little bit of work. You know what that is going to be? If you see any word in the video that you think you have heard before, or if you think that you have read that word before, just note it down in your paper, okay? You don't need to understand what the meaning of that word is. But if you think you have read that word before somewhere, if you think you have heard that word before somewhere, even when it's even when you have been watching Peppa Pig, does anybody watch Peppa Pig? Give me a thumbs up if you have seen Peppa Pig cartoon before. Yeah, right? Okay. So if you think you have heard or seen that word anywhere before, just note that in your paper and pen, okay? We are going to start the video now for you.
When you say hello, I say bonjour.
And give me a
When I
thumbs up
say
if you can
bonjour,
hear it.
you say hello. When you say hello, I say bonjour. Repeat after me. Bonjour. 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 When you say thank you, I say merci. When I say merci, you say thank you. When you say thank you, I say merci. Repeat after me. Merci, 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 merci. When you say goodbye, I say au revoir. When I say au revoir, you say goodbye. When you say goodbye, I say au revoir. Repeat after me. Au revoir, au revoir. When you say hello, I say bonjour. When I say bonjour, you say hello. When you say hello, I say bonjour. Repeat after me. Bonjour, bonjour,
Bonjour.
bonjour,
Bonjour.
When you say thank you, I say merci. When I say merci, you say thank you. When you say thank you, I say merci. Repeat after me. Merci,
Merci.
merci, merci, merci. When you say goodbye, I say au revoir. When I say au revoir, you say goodbye. When you say goodbye, I say au
Au
revoir.
revoir.
Repeat after me. Au revoir, au
Au
revoir,
revoir.
au revoir, au revoir.
All right. So that was our bonjour song. Okay. Bonjour is a greeting that sometimes we use for good morning or sometimes to even say hello. So we are going to start our class every day with this bonjour song. And I hope you are able to learn this song with me when we keep on coming to our classes every Mondays and Thursdays. Now, I'm sure all of you know at least like maybe English, maybe Hindi, and maybe another third language from your home. Maybe someone, your nani, your dadi, your mama, your papa, somebody speaks a language like maybe Punjabi, maybe like Haryanvi or some other language. But why learn French, right? We are here to learn French. As I told you, it's spoken by more than 220 million people all over the world. Uh, when you learn French, when you grow up, you can become a teacher like me, and you can teach other people how to speak French, how to read books in French, and how to watch even movies in French. You can enjoy some cartoons, some songs in French, right? You could even become a translator. Raise your hand if you know what a translator's job is. Do you know what a translator does? Raise your hands. Okay, okay. I guess a lot of you know what a translator does. For those of you who don't, the basic work of a translator is to help people understand a language that they do not know. So, if you already know French and you meet someone who doesn't know French, like your mom or dad, your brother or sister, and they ask you, I saw this word bonjour, but what does it even mean? You can translate and say that bonjour means hello, right? And you can be your own little translator people, right? Okay. Maybe when you grow up, someday you will travel to places outside India. You see this picture right behind me? Give me a thumbs up if you know what this picture is. Yeah? Oh, a lot of you know that this is the Eiffel Tower. And where is Eiffel Tower? Does anyone know? Raise your hands again and tell me if you know where is Eiffel Tower. Oh, all of you know. Looks like all of you know that Eiffel Tower is in Paris. Paris is the capital of the country, France, right? I am going to show you a little map which uh, which will show you where all do we see. Do you see this? Yeah. Do you see this world map? Do you see this world map? Somewhere here, if you see my mouse pointer, this is the country France. And for those of you who haven't seen a world map before, this screen shows you all the countries in the world. Right here is our country, India. This is where you all are sitting. Right here is United States, which is America, where I am sitting. And we are all here together learning a country, learning a language which is widely spoken in this country called France. But one surprising thing would be that though French is the national language for France, there are a lot of other places all around this world where a lot of people speak French. There's Switzerland, there's Belgium, and you see Canada right here. There is a region in Canada called Quebec. Even Quebec has its official language as French, and a lot of countries here in Africa. So many people speak French. You see all this blue and purple colored areas, regions in the map. These are all the French speaking countries. Here are the French speaking nations with their maps. Look at it carefully. After this session, I'm going to give you a tiny bit of homework, okay? A little bit of work, not too much for you all. So before you come back to your Thursday class, you will have to get that homework ready for me. And of course, here is the Eiffel Tower, all right? Some more famous things about France. Okay, that's the museum in Paris. It's called the Louvre. In French, we call it Le Louvre. Le Louvre. This is in Paris. Okay. Now, if you see, these are two pictures of two books by a very famous author who was based in France. The name of this person is Jules Verne. Okay. Now, I have the title of the book in English, Journey to the Center of the Earth and 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Maybe sometime you would have read this book or watched the movie about these. There are very famous movies based on both these titles in English also. Okay. And of course, this is Tintin. This is a cartoon again, like some of you have just told me that you watch Peppa Pig. I also read, I have also read when I was a kid about Tintin. Now, this cartoon was actually created by an artist, by a writer in in the place Belgique. Okay, this is the place Belgique where this cartoon was developed by the author Hergé. His name was Hergé. Okay, now, these are some really interesting things about France, some really interesting things about the language French that we would be learning together. And I really, really hope that when you have your eyes here on the screen and your ears here with me, you will be able to learn so many good things and so many interesting things. If you keep coming to this class regularly on all your Mondays and on all your Thursdays, you will be able to spell your name in French. Okay, I will teach you how to say A, B, C, D, E, F, G in French. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All right, you will be able to spell out your name like I can spell out my name Mahima, Mahima, in French. M A H E M A in French. Okay, that's kind of interesting, huh? You will also learn your numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll see till where can you all count 100, 1,000, million, maybe. That's a big number too. Okay. So these basic things we will be able to learn when you keep coming to this class all Mondays and all Thursdays. All right. You will also be able to introduce yourself. Like Vaishali ma'am, if you, for those of you who have joined us on time, Vaishali ma'am just introduced me, right? Because we had not met each other before. Vaishali ma'am talked to you all about Miss Mahima, okay, or Mahima ma'am. Same way, you will be able to tell your name. What is your name? Tell your age. What is your age? Tell your nationality. Are you American? Are you French? Are you Indian? You will be able to tell what you like, what you don't like, what your hobbies are. Everything in French. Okay. So, this is what we are going to try to do with you when you are here with us for every Monday and every Thursday. Has anyone been able to note any of the words that you saw in the video in the Bonjour song? Oh, a lot of you. Okay, okay. So you know what? Not right now. Not right now. Or you know what? Can you just hold your paper on the screen and show me what you have got? How about that? Yes. Ah, nice job, Carmen. Nice job, Anj. Srishti, nice. Very good. Prakriti, Arhana, good. You kids are really good at listening to instructions and participating. I'm so proud of you all. Good job, Muskan. So proud of you. Very nice. Any word that you have been. Good job, Swarnashri. Anchit, nice. I see you writing, Dave. That's fine. That's fine. Very nice. I'm so proud of you all. Now, you know my name, Mahima, right? My name is Mahima. Je m'appelle Mahima. Okay. What do we say? Je m'appelle Mahima. So suppose if Ansh was going to tell, what if somebody asks Ansh Jindal, are you listening to me, right? If somebody says Ansh, what is your name? Ansh can say in French, my name is Ansh Jindal in English, and Je m'appelle Ansh. Je m'appelle Ansh Jindal. Same way, if somebody asks Arhana Sharma, Arhana, what is your name? Right? If I don't know your name, what will Arhana say? My name is Arhana Sharma. But if somebody says, what's your name? Can you say that in French? Arhana can say, Je m'appelle Arhana Sharma. Je m'appelle Arhana Sharma. Okay. Isn't that fun? Now, someone, if they ask Muskan, what is your name? Muskan can say, my name is Muskan. All right. But in French, what will Muskan say? Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle Muskan. Now, I need you all to look here on the screen so that I can also tell you what will be the pronunciation. How will you say je m'appelle? Je, je. Okay? Look at how my mouth is making that sound. Je m'appelle. Okay? Je m'appelle. Okay, I'm going to say this again for you. Have your listening ears on, have your eyes here on the screen with me. Okay, how do we say that? Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Okay, all right, we'll keep practicing and you will keep learning. Now, if you look behind me, right here, I have some very interesting, some very fun, and some very basic, easy to learn phrases for you, words for you in French. Okay, let me show you. This word right here is our class bonjour with Miss Mahima. Okay, this first bubble, all right, this first bubble right here is salut. How do we say? Salut. Sa. Look at my mouth. How I'm making that sound. Salut. Okay. What does salut mean? Salut means hello. Salut means hi. So when you're meeting your friends, when you're going to go out or play with some of your friends, next time you say hi. If I say hi, Muskan, I can also say salut, Muskan. I see Ayushi there. Ayushi, salut. Okay. Next time, Savri can say salut, Miss Mahima. Salut, Mahima ma'am. Okay. So once again, this word salut. Now, one very interesting thing that I will tell you about this word salut and this word bonjour. Okay. So bonjour technically means good morning. Okay. So if it really is the morning time, you can definitely say anyone hello, or you can say good morning. So you can say bonjour or you can say salut. But a lot of people, when they meet for the first time in the day, even if it is afternoon, even if it is evening, they actually say bonjour also. All right. So next time when we meet on Thursday, it is still going to be evening for you. All right. And I can still say bonjour to you all because it's still acceptable. Okay. So salut and bonjour. These are the greetings when when you say when you meet people. All right. Now, bonjour, of course, I just told you about hello and good morning. Now, this is au revoir. Now, this pronunciation is a little bit tricky, so pay attention, okay? Eyes here and listening ears on with me, all right? Au revoir, au revoir, au, au, au revoir, okay? Au revoir, all right? Now, voir technically in French it means to see, all right? So, raise your hands for me if you think you know what au revoir means. Just raise your hands. I'm going to unmute you later, okay? Au revoir. Au revoir means bye bye. Bye bye. All right. So once you're done playing with your friends, once you're done saying bonjour to your friends, once you're done saying salut to your friends, when you go away, you can say au revoir, au revoir. All right. Au revoir. Now, this brings me to the next part of our lesson right now, the date. All right. So, what day is today? Today is Monday, right? In English, we say Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Today is Monday. In French, we say lundi. Lundi. Okay. You see this word right here? Lundi. All right. And today's date is le 23, 23, 23, 23, 23. Le 23 Novembre. You see, the spelling of November is almost the same as that in English. Just that in French it's B, R, and then E. But in English it's usually November, B, E, R. Okay. Now, you don't have to learn all of this right away. But for every class, you will see right here the easy words that I have written for you, and the day of the week and the date that we are meeting. Okay, so I'm going to need you to pay attention right here. We will also learn numbers when we keep on going with our class. Okay, one, two, three, four, deux, trois, quatre. But for now, just have your listening ears on, have your eyes right here on my whiteboard, and look at the date for today. Lundi, lundi, Monday, le 23 Novembre. French people have this habit of always using le or la or le. These are like your articles a and the with the dates. Okay. So you might be thinking before 23rd November, why does Mahima ma'am have this word le? It's called le. Okay. We'll always have it. It's a practice in French language. Okay. Lundi, le 23 Novembre. Now, quickly, I'm going to go through these words all again. You have your listening ears on. Listen to how I'm pronouncing. Take a look at the spellings and take a look at how I'm going to say these words so that it's going to be easy. All right? Salut, salut, salut. Salut means hello. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour means hello and good morning, both. Au revoir, au revoir, goodbye. Au revoir, bye or goodbye. Au revoir. Then we have the date. The date today is Monday. Say lundi. Okay? Lundi. Lundi. Le 23 novembre. Le 23 novembre. Lundi, le 23 novembre. Okay? Might be too many French words for you for the first session, but that's okay. It's totally fine if you don't remember all of them. It's totally fine if you think you do not know all the pronunciations because I'm right here to help you with those. Okay? All right? For some of you who have already noted what these words are, bravo, super, good job. Okay? All right? Just remember bonjour, just remember salut, and just remember au revoir. All right, I'm going to give you one more task. All right, now in the evening, if you go to play with your friends, or if you're there with your mom and dad, or your cousins, or anyone at house, sometimes you say namaste, sometimes you say namaste, sometimes you say good morning, good evening, good night, bye bye. I want all of you, every one of you, to say bonjour to at least five people. Okay? Bonjour to at least five people tomorrow. Today is Monday. We are going to meet again on Thursday. Okay? So Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, you have 3 days to practice saying bonjour. Bonjour. When you wake up in the morning, say bonjour to your mama and papa. Say bonjour to your dadu and dadi or nanu and nani, okay? Say bonjour to them and practice. And it is totally fine if you do not know the proper pronunciation. Just pay attention and I will help you to learn how to say it properly also in our subsequent classes, okay? When you play with your friends, when you talk to them on phone, say salut to your friends. Salut, okay? Again, I want you all to say salut to at least five people before we meet on Thursday, okay? Use the word salut, hello, and say au revoir, au revoir, bye bye, au revoir, bye bye to at least five people before we meet on Thursday, okay? Raise your hands or give me a thumbs up if you understood what I asked you to do before our next Thursday class. Yes, yes. Oh, good job. I have such great kids here in this class. They're all listening to me and they're all understanding what I'm saying. I'm so proud of you. So remember to say bonjour, remember to say salut, remember to say au revoir to at least five people every day. Okay. And these words you will remember by the time we meet the next time. Now, before we go, I'm going to show you another video, okay? One more video which will help you to understand the pronunciations of how do we say au revoir. It is going to be our au revoir song. It is going to be our bye-bye song, all right? You're able to hear the sound. Yeah?
Au revoir Hugo, au revoir Margot, salut. Au revoir Hugo, au revoir Margot, salut. Je me suis bien amusée, demain on va recommencer. Au revoir mes amis. Au revoir Hugo, au revoir Margot, recommencer. Au revoir mes amis.
So this was the au revoir song. All right. Now there are going to be a lot of new words in this song, but I know now you know to say au revoir. You know what au revoir means. You know what salut means. All right. And that's going to be awesome. So I'm going to play the song one last time for you, and then we are going to be done. Okay.
Au revoir Hugo, au revoir Margot, salut. Au revoir Hugo, au revoir Margot, salut. Je me suis bien amusée, demain on va recommencer. Au revoir mes amis. Au revoir Hugo, au revoir Margot, salut. Au revoir Hugo, au revoir Margot, salut. Je me suis bien amusée, demain on va recommencer. Au revoir mes amis.
All right, so that was our au revoir song. So you listened to the and you watched the video about a bonjour song before we started our class, and also an au revoir song, which is the bye bye song. All right, so we are going to stop right here, and I'll give you one more small task, one more small homework before you come for our next session. Okay, you know the world map, all right? You know the country France. The country France has its national language, has its official language as French. Now, your task is going to be to find out which are the neighboring countries of France, okay? And tell me what those countries are going to be. Neighboring countries, for those of you who don't understand, like India, India has Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, all these countries as its neighboring countries. Okay. So I want you to go take out your atlas or take a help of your grown up if you need, and tell me in our next session which are the neighboring countries of France. Okay. Give me a thumbs up if you understand what I mean. All right. Raise your hands. Awesome. Good job, Ujjwal. Nice. Nice. So you're going to use these words. Your task one is to find the neighboring countries of France. Okay. And your another task for before you come to the next class on Thursday is going to be to use these words bonjour, salut, and au revoir to at least 5 people before Thursday. All right. And I will see you for our next class on Thursday. Okay. Bye bye. Au revoir. Au revoir. Bye bye. Au revoir. Au revoir, Arhana. Au revoir, Ojasvi. Au revoir, Ujjwal. Au revoir, Swansea. Au revoir, Bihan. Au revoir, Dev. Au revoir, Minu. Au revoir, Mina. Au revoir, tout le monde. Au revoir, everyone.